Hello everybody, this is Home Machinist. My name is Jeff and welcome to my little machine shop. She's tiny, we don't have a lot, but we do our best with what we have. And it's time to get the machining done. Let's get busy. So I figured while I was waiting for a tool to arrive today, two of my friends wanted scope risers for red dots. These are single risers for two different friends. So I cut a piece of material I had. This one obviously is still in the raw, uncut. This one's been squared up, it's ready to go. So we're going to work on this one first. And so look at this wonderful saw cut right here. How I did get that saw cut? Well, the apprentice's father got me a bandsaw. Yep, he got it running, purring like a kitten, and he called me. He said, Jeff, come over here. I want you to look at something. I get over there, and he goes, look what I got you. So, Joe, thank you so much. Austin, thank you so much. We'll put it to work. You know it. Well, we already have because we cut that material with it. And we're in a lot better shape now for cutting different types of material. Because now we have two saws. I have my regular bandsaw down there, and now we have this one here, which is going to make a big difference in this little shop. All right, so Joe, thank you so much. Okay, let's make scope risers today while we're waiting for a tool. And let's get busy, get down to business. So this number here puts us at the far edge of the part. We're zeroed, and the edge of the end mill is sitting. You gotta watch this light. This light is so difficult to get right. So we're sitting at the edge of the part. There's the end mill, and we know our finished number on each side. So let's cut the width for the form tool, and we'll get the male picatinny put in. So I'm shooting for 835. That's the width I've been using. I used to use 832, but now I use 835. We measured 835 and a couple tenths.
Everything's maximum interesting. Look at this.
835, maybe 3 tenths, 4 tenths, something like that. So that's good enough. Really a couple 10,000 off. This mill has just enough weight, and I'm able to set this thing up to handle up to a 5/8 end mill. It's a beast up to a 5/8 end mill. Over 5/8 the thing, we'll use them all day long, but it's not ideal for this machine if you ask me. Up to 5/8 this machine, you can go to town, and that's mostly what I use. Since I'm using sharp carbide most of the time, not all the time. Yeah, this machine just tears up climb cuts. Loves them. Absolutely loves climb cutting. Finish pass. I hope the light's okay. I can never tell until I put it on the laptop. But there you go. Just finished recoil grooves. I'm gonna pour her out and we're going to decide how we're going to dress her up a little bit. But there we are. We're at that point. Still got some work to do. Let's keep going. So it's out of the mill. All the mill work's done. Fits beautiful. So my idea with this was to do this with a locking block. I don't have the correct bolts. I thought I did, and here I'm this far into this video. So I'm not going to do the 2 holes, counter bores, and thread for bolts. And now those holes will go through the locking block as well. But this is a precision made locking block. And when I say precision, I mean it. It fits dead in there and there's no slop. No slop. There's no forward or rear movement in that locking block. Now this was fitted. I had to do a lot of fitting here for a little while with files and to get this to do what I wanted it to do. And this is what I wanted it to do. I wanted this block to firmly lock the riser. Now this riser is for a low profile red dot. So that's my idea here, but we can make risers like this in any sizes, any widths, whatever we need it for. 2 for scope, but this is going to be for a single red dot. But right here is where I had to do a lot of fitting to get this fit where I want it. Now there's still a little drag on this, so I can push it on my fingers. Okay, right there it is. But here it is. Let me make sure that nut's locked. It doesn't move now. So that's a true locking block. So this is a very rigid riser, very strong. And once I put the 2 bolts in the side and get our counter bores done and threaded, this is going to be one of the strongest risers I believe I've ever put my eyes on. I'm sure there's others out there similar to this, but I haven't seen anything like this. But I'm sure they are. I can't be the only one that's thought of it. But anyways, I've done this a few times now, but I've never done a video on it. I figured it's a good time to do one for the project. Just throwing this in real quick. Sorry for the interruption there. I'm going to 45 these corners. All 4 of these corners will be 45, and I'm debating about a couple other ways of dressing this up a little bit without losing any of the rigidity and the strength of this this block. Okay, I had to throw that in there. Continue. And hopefully we'll have this project done next weekend. But anyways, there you go. Absolute beautiful precision fit all the way. And good for a single red dot. Okay, I'm gonna do my best to get this finished up this week and up next Friday. Hope everybody has a good remainder of your weekend. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you like my riser. It's definitely a strong one. Boy, this one will take a beating for sure. And I love y'all. And again, please like, share, and subscribe. And have a good work week coming up. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.